Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix video recording not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, force stop cam. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search camera, click on camera. Here you will see force stop, and if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop camera, force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear camera cache. Again open settings, scroll down, again click on apps, again search camera, click on camera, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache camera, clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix video recording not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.